Let's learn the jobs we see today, learning them along the way. Build, builder. Build, builder. Build, builder. Repair mechanic. Repair mechanic. Repair mechanic. Fix plumber. Fix plumber. Fix plumber. Wire electrician. Wire electrician. Wire electrician. Design architect. Design architect. Design architect. Create designer. Create designer. Create designer. That's all for today. See you in the next part.